So hello guys, welcome to my channel Faucet and PTC. Today we're going to talk about a PTC site named coinadster.com. Now with this site, it gives us plenty of opportunity to earn. Like you can earn by running a faucet after every 5 minutes. Also you can earn by visiting PTC ads, and you can do a short links as well to earn. So now let's start with the faucet. Just simply have to solve the captcha. Whatever number we get, okay, I think we have to refresh the page here. Now we can solve it. As I said, we have to solve a captcha. Whatever number we get a payout for that number. So right now I have won like 4 bits. 4 bits is nothing but a 4 satoshis, simple. So now let me show you another thing, the PTC ads. From this we can earn as well. Let me show that for you. We simply have to click on it, wait for 10 seconds or 5 seconds, whatever ad time has, solve the captcha. Once it's done, we get 3 bits, 5 bits depending on the ad. Now here we can see we got 6 bits. Also you can earn by doing short links. Now they have plenty of short links which I will show you guys. Now as you can see, they have around, if I scroll the page down nice and steady for you, as you can see, they have around 62 short links with claim amount of 712 bits. If we solve these 62 short links, we are going to receive 712 bits right away the moment we solve it. Also, this site runs with quite a few contests every now and then. They have a weekly contest as well as monthly contest. So I will show you both the contests which they have. Even you can earn by purchasing a lottery ticket. So first thing first, let me show you the referral contest. So right now, as you can see, these are the top 20 referrals, users actually who has referred. Now this guy name, he has around 320 referrals. He is qualified for the referral contest, and amount of bit which you gonna win is like 500,000 bits, which is around 40 or 50 USD right now. So in order to be qualified for the referral, you got to have, let me show you that as well. You got to have 30 active referrals in order to qualify for the referral contest. Not only that, your referral should make at least 3 faucet claims in order for them to be considered as an active referral. So all these users, they don't have 30 referrals, so that's the reason they are not qualified yet. They won't be getting this 10,000 bits, 5,000 bits, so they are not qualified yet. And offer ball contest, let me show you that as well. As you saw in a referral contest, the prize money was big, like they were giving 500,000 bits for the first prize. Now here in offer, they are only giving 45,000 bits for the number 1 spot. Now all these users who has done plenty of offers, they are qualified as you can see till number 17, and he gonna win 5,000 bits. And let's see what does it take to get qualified for the offer contest. To qualify in a contest, and it's a weekly contest guys, remember, the offer contest comes every week. To qualify in a contest, you must have at least 50 points. Otherwise, you won't be rewarded even if you are in top 3. Contests end every Saturday. So this is what it is, guys. You have to score at least 50 points. Otherwise, you won't be rewarded even if you are in top 3. So simple. So that's it, guys. They have 4 to 5 different ways of earning. They run a monthly contest for short link, and they no, not for short link, sorry, they run a monthly referral contest, and they also run a weekly offer contest. Offers can be done from here where it says offer hot. It has quite a few offers. You can choose whatever you want. Let's say I click on offer daddy. You can choose whatever you want to do right here. Digital Dukan buy .p online store in 15 seconds. Just have to, if you do this, you're gonna get 3,501 credits for doing that. So it's all up to you guys. Whatever offer you do, you can do it. Now let's talk about, if you have a website or if you want to promote anything, you can simply go ahead and click on the purchase PTC ad. Let's say you want to buy 2,000 visits for your site or whatever it may be. So it's gonna cost you 10,000 satoshis for that. And if you want user to get redirected after seeing your ad, it's gonna cost you 11,000 PTC. So all in all, like, advertisement price is also cheap, guys. Like, and one more thing about this site is very clean. They only have couple of banner advertisement, nothing else. I have seen this kind of sites before, and with this kind of sites, some site have pop-up ads as well, but this site is clean. They don't have any pop-up ads. They only rely on banner advertisement for their income and from the short link and other stuff. They don't want to irritate their customers by placing a pop-up ad onto their site. So I hope you guys like my video. So if you are new here, don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Also don't forget to press the bell icon so that you can get all the update from Faucet and PTC. And also, guys, I'm going to share a referral link. Don't forget to sign up using my referral link so that even I can earn something from you guys. So I hope you all like the video. Thank you very much, guys.